If I told you you've never actually eaten fried food from an air fryer, you'd probably give me that look. Wait, I bought an air fryer. And it doesn't fry? Relax, you're not alone. For more than a century,
marketing is wrong.
the recipe for crispiness seemed carved in stone like a kitchen rulebook. If you want crunch, you need oil, lots of it bubbling at around 180 degrees Celsius until everything turns golden and crackly. That was the law, an ancient law, the kind your grandma could recite without blinking. Then a garlic-shaped plastic box entered the market and boldly declared, "I fry without oil." You looked at it. You believed it. You handed over your Saturday night dinner plans without hesitation. But it fooled you. A trick so clever that even the marketing world had to bow in respect.
Enjoy
Hold on to
perfectly
that thought,
golden, crispy fries
because the
with zero
truth
oil.
is about to hit
It's
your
the healthy way
brain
to
like
fry,
a frying
and it
pan
tastes
falling off a
amazing.
rack. Here's the uncomfortable reality. An air fryer doesn't actually fry. It overclocked bakes, a form of baking pushed to such extreme speed that your senses swear you're eating fried food. Instead of soaking ingredients in hot oil, it blasts hot air across the surface, stripping away moisture as if it's trying to dry a potato down to its soul. So why were you convinced? Psychology. Humans trust names more than functions. Call something fried, and your brain instantly expects richness, caramelized edges, and that satisfying crunch, even if the process is completely different. As long as the flavor feels close enough, your brain fills in the gaps, just like how people believe detox water works miracles simply because the name sounds healthy. To understand how sophisticated this trick is, we have to rewind to 1945. That's when William Maxon, an aviation-minded inventor, created what he called a cyclone oven, a 3-5-pound machine that blasted swirling hot air like a miniature jet engine. The only problem? The name.
This is William
Cyclone
Maxon,
oven sounded
and
heavy
tonight,
and hard to sell.
1945,
Meanwhile,
he believes
the
he
microwave
has finally
shorter,
done it.
catchier took the spotlight. Maxon's invention didn't fail because of weak technology. It failed because the story behind it wasn't strong enough. See the connection now? What convinces your senses you're eating fried food is something called the Maillard reaction. The name sounds scientific, but you've experienced it every time you sear a steak, and your kitchen suddenly smells like a restaurant. It's the chemical reaction between sugars and proteins at around 140-165 degrees Celsius that creates browning, aroma, and deep flavor. And yes, the air fryer triggers that exact reaction. No oil? No problem. All it needs is enough heat and strong airflow to dry the surface quickly. The drier the surface, the easier Maillard kicks in. That's the perfect sensory hack. Your tongue whispers, "Ah, fried chicken." The reality? You're eating chicken that's been intentionally dehydrated at high speed. As moisture gets blown away, the surface becomes hotter and drier. The hotter it gets, the faster Maillard happens. The faster Maillard happens, the more golden and aromatic your food becomes, just like traditional frying. Picture hanging a wet towel outside. On a still day, it dries slowly. With strong wind, it dries faster. Put it inside a high-speed wind tunnel boom. Dry within minutes. The air fryer is that wind tunnel, scaled down and heated to around 200 degrees Celsius. A perfect partnership between physics and marketing. The technology bakes. The result feels fried. And the name promises frying. Of course, people love it. And here's the real twist. It's not the product that fooled you, it's the story around it. Now let's name the hero behind this marketing masterstroke. Philips. When they introduced rapid air technology, they faced a critical decision. Should they call it a high-speed convection oven or an air fryer? High-speed convection oven might have been accurate, but painfully boring. Air fryer, on the other hand, lit up people's imagination instantly. Only one tiny problem: it doesn't actually fry.
The
Philips
secret behind
succeeded where
perfectly
William
crispy
Maxim
results
couldn't
every
back
time
in
is our new rapid air
1945.
technology.
It's exclusive to
They
Philips,
told a
and it
story
changes
people
everything
wanted
about
to
how we
believe.
fry.
The
Apex
moment the
Solutions
term
really
air
stands
fryer
out.
appeared,
All right, let's
the
circle
market
it.
erupted like a marketing volcano. Imagine if
we
they had
have a
called it
winner.
a turbo dehydration oven. Would you have spent a fortune to buy one? Probably not. We don't buy raw truth. We buy stories. And the
Experience
story
peak
your air
efficiency
fryer
with the
sells is
optimized
simple.
nutrient brick,
I
the
give you
finest in
fried like food
standardized
without
sustenance.
oil.
Please take one.
Without guilt.
It's more than just a
promise
trip.
as
It's an
appealing
odyssey
as
for
a
the soul.
gym poster, strong
isn't merely
enough
a
to make
boxer,
the
it's the key
entire
to your
world
future
nod
success.
along. The funny part? Even if you were led by the nose, you still benefit. Less oil, less cleanup, crispy
Enjoy
results
less
that
oil,
come
less
surprisingly
mess,
close
and the
to
similar
deep frying.
satisfying crunch.
It's a trick, but a pretty lovable one. If anything, the air fryer proves that the right name can change the destiny of an entire industry. A once-forgotten invention came back to life through a single powerful rebrand. If you want me to keep exposing classic marketing illusions from air purifiers that capture dust with noble ions to mouthwash that kills 99% of germs, you already know what to do. Leave a sign. I'm preparing another reveal that might be even funnier than the air fryer itself.